Hey, it's Lisa. I'm all about easy dishes that are quick to make and really flavorful. Today I'm making a watermelon, cucumber, and feta salad. So this salad couldn't be easier to make. It's gonna work on your chopping skills because you have to chop up a lot of things over here. So I'm gonna start with the juices, as I always do. A fresh lime juice, little lime zest, salt, pepper. I'm gonna give that a whisk. And I'm gonna stir in my olive oil. I have some fresh chopped sweet onion, fresh cilantro, fresh mint, cucumbers that have been seeded. You don't want it to have too much liquid. And then seedless watermelon that has been cubed, and gently toss this. And lastly, I'm gonna add the feta in. That's gonna give it a little bit of saltiness and some cheese. Cheese, please. I think this is a salad that tastes better as it sits because all of those flavors just come together. It's really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And to learn more about An Appetizing Life and this recipe, go to anappetizinglife.com. And of course, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat again. See you guys later.